1 1 1 and 0 minus 3 6 and this is k square minus 4 0 0 0 and here minus k square plus 3k minus 2, right? So when minus k square plus k square minus 3k plus 2, then k square minus 3k plus 2 equal to 0, that is k minus 1 into k minus 2 equal to 0, that implies k is equal to 1 comma 2 ab. This becomes what? 1 1 1 1 0 minus 3 6 k square minus 4 0 0 0, last row is also 0, so that everybody can guess that rank of a is nothing but 2, and as well as that is also equal to rank of ab, so that the given system is consistent. This implies the given system is consistent. Given system is consistent. The given system is consistent when k is equal to 1 or k is equal to 2, right? Since moreover, where n is nothing but the number of unknowns x, y, z. They are 3 in number, so that is why since n minus r is equal to 2 and this is less than 3, 3 is nothing but n. Since r is less than n, the given system will have a solution involving n minus r. So that means one arbitrary constant. So that means because the presence of arbitrary constants in a solution that indicates that infinitely many solutions. So that means because there is an arbitrary constant means because it can take infinitely many values that generates infinitely many solutions. Let us see that. Now, uh, when k is equal to 1, what will happen? When k is equal to 1, this is the case when k is equal to 1. When k is equal to 1, our AB, this will be equivalent to the matrix 1 1 1 0 minus 3 6 k square minus 4 becomes 1 square minus 4, last row will be 0, then only this will be consistent, right? Let us write the reduced system. That is, the reduced system is 1 1 1 0 minus 3 6 0 0 0 x y z and 1 minus 3 0. So that is first row into first column. So 1 into x plus 1 into y plus 1 into z, that is equal to 1. Second row into first column, that means 0 into x minus 3 into y plus 6 into z is equal to minus 3, and this is last row is 0 is equal to 0. So let us name these equations as 1 and 2, right? Since n minus r is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1, okay, take one unknown as u or k. Take z is equal to, because the value of z is not known from these equations, I am now naming this as u, right? Then, right? Then, from 2, what I am getting, minus 3y plus 6u is equal to minus 3. So that minus 3y is equal to minus 6u minus 3. So that means y is equal to, okay, minus 3 into 2u plus 1 by minus 3. So that means what I'm getting, 2u plus 1, right? Value of y is this. Thus from 1, x plus y means 2u plus 1. That means u that is equal to 1. 1, 1 get cancelled, and finally what I am getting minus 3u. Therefore, the solution in this case is therefore x is equal to what? X means x, y, z unknown vector, non-column vector x, and this is x is minus 3u, and y means 2u plus 1, and that means u, because where u is arbitrary, u belongs to where u is arbitrary constant, you can take in infinitely many values. So that is why this solution x indicates infinitely many solutions, right? Next, let us go for another case, that is right. Now, next case 2, when k is equal to 2 for augmented matrix AB, this is equivalent to its row matrix in the row equivalent form, that becomes 1 1 1 1 0 minus 3 6 and here because k square minus 4, that becomes 0. Last row is already 0. Okay, right? Now the reduced system is reduced system is the reduced system is this 1 1 1. This is the place for quotient matrix, and that reduced to this matrix, and b reduced to 1 0 0, right? Now, so that is go for the matrix multiplication. First row into first column. What I'm getting 1 plus 1 into x plus 1 into y plus 1 into z is equal to 1. Next, second row into first column. 0 into x plus minus 3 into y plus 6 into z is equal to 0, and 0 is equal to 0. Right? Since n minus r is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Right? So that means we have three unknowns, but only two equations are there. Two equations, we will find only two values, two unknowns. So that means we don't know the third unknown. That is why that count is 1. So that means the unknown, because the value of z is not known, that is since n minus r is equal to 1. Let us take z as u, because the last equation minus 3y plus 6 that is equal to 0. This equation involves only two unknowns. Okay, because if I take z is equal to u, I will get y in terms of u, or if I take y is equal to u, consequently I will get the value of z in terms of u. Now, but I am taking z is equal to u. Of course, the value of z is not known from this system. Let us name them as 3 and 4, right? Now, so that's from 2, from 4, applying this in 4 minus 3 by plus 6 into that means 6 into u equal to 0, so that minus 3y is equal to minus 6u, consequent y is equal to minus 6 by minus 3 2, so this is 2u, right? Thus from uh, 3, thus from 3 x plus y, the value of y is 2u and z is u, that is 1. So that implies the value of x is 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3u. Therefore, the solution vector column matrix in this case is value of x is 1 minus 3u, value of y is 2u, the value of z is u. Okay, so this seems to be one solution, because u is arbitrary where u is arbitrary. That means you can take infinitely many values, so that we got infinitely many solutions. Or this is solution. This solution indicates infinitely many solutions as u is arbitrary constant. So that means in all the cases, we have discussed the consistency of the system, and that is consistent for k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1 or k is equal to 2 only, and inconsistent for rest of the values. For k not equal to 1 and k not equal to 2, that will be inconsistent. That means no solutions. For k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 2 only, that the system is consistent. And in the case the value of the common ranks is r is 2, That means R is equal to rank of A, that is equal to rank of A, that is true, and that is equal to the that is less than number of unknowns, n is equal to 3. That means the system will have infinitely many solutions. That means we get a solution that involves n minus r is equal to one arbitrary constant in both the cases. So this is the end of the problem. So thank you for listening my video.